What's up, everybody? It's your boy Arthur M, here to help you travel like a boss. Let's be real. Airports can be a zoo, am I right? Long lines, pricey snacks, and don't even get me started on baggage fees. It's enough to make you want to stay home. But hold up, because in 2025, air travel doesn't have to be a nightmare. That's why I'm dropping 5 genius travel hacks that'll make your trip smoother than a water slide and stress-free as a day at the beach. We're talking about saving money, beating the system, and arriving at your destination feeling like $1 million. Are you ready to become a travel pro? Then buckle up and get ready to take some notes because things are about to get wild. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic airport dilemma: overpriced water bottles. Seriously, who wants to pay $5 for some H2O? Not us. That's where this genius hack comes in. Before you even leave for the airport, grab your trusty water bottle and fill it to the brim with ice. That's right, ice, not water. The TSA homies are cool with frozen liquids, so you're good to go. By the time you've made it through security, that ice will have melted, and boom, you've got yourself a bottle of ice-cold water, free of charge. And hey, if you're feeling fancy, slice up some lemons or limes and toss those in too. Staying hydrated is key to fighting jet lag, headaches, and that whole "I spent 6 hours on a plane" fatigue. Plus, it's way more refreshing than that lukewarm tap water in the airport bathroom. Trust me, your body will thank you later. Next up, we're tackling everyone's least favorite travel companion: luggage. Lugging around heavy suitcases through the airport is the worst. It's like trying to wrangle a bunch of screaming toddlers, except the toddlers are your clothes and toiletries. But what if I told you there's a better way? Imagine this. You stroll through the airport, hands-free, while your bags magically appear at your hotel. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Shipping your luggage ahead of time is a game changer. Services like FedEx or UPS are your new best friends. Not only can it be cheaper than those ridiculous airline baggage fees, but it also means you can actually enjoy the airport experience. Plus, you can track your bags every step of the way, so no more stressing about lost luggage. Pro tip: schedule your shipment in advance to secure the best rates. Picture this. You're stuck at a crowded gate, your phone's about to die, and there's not an outlet in sight. We've all been there, and it's not pretty. But fear not, my friend, because I've got the solution: a power strip. This little gadget is a lifesaver, especially in airports where outlets are like gold dust. You can charge multiple devices at once, and hey, if you're feeling generous, you can even share the power with your new airport buddies. Instant hero status. Even better, some planes have those handy seat outlets, but they're usually only one per passenger. With a power strip, you can charge your phone, laptop, and headphones all at the same time. Just make sure to grab one with USB ports for ultimate versatility. Okay, this next hack is so simple, yet so effective. We've all been there, standing in the security line, trying to remember our flight number or gate information. It's like trying to recall a dream after you've already woken up. But here's the trick. Before you even leave for the airport, text yourself all your important flight details. Flight number, departure time, gate number, you name it, text it. This way it's all easily accessible in your messages. No more frantic scrolling through emails or digging through your bag for that crumpled boarding pass. Plus, most airlines send out text notifications with real-time updates, so you'll be in the loop if there are any delays or gate changes. And don't forget to share the info with your travel buddies too. Teamwork makes the dream work, people. Last but not least, we're getting resourceful with everyone's favorite airplane amenity, the barf bag. Now, before you get grossed out, we're not using it for its intended purpose. Hopefully, this hack is all about turning that humble sick bag into a hands-free phone stand. Just fold the bag into a triangle base and voila! You've got yourself a makeshift stand for watching movies or catching up on your favorite YouTube channels. This is especially clutch on flights without seatback screens or those tiny tray tables that barely fit your phone. Plus, it's way more comfortable than holding your phone up for hours on end. Your arms will thank you later. And there you have it, folks. 5 genius travel hacks that'll have you flying through airports like a pro in no time. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be stressful. With a little planning and these awesome tips, you'll be breezing through your next trip like a boss. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic content, and share this video with your travel buddies. Let's spread the travel hack love. And hey, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite travel hack or any tips you've picked up along the way. Who knows, you might even get featured in my next video. Until then, safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next one.